Ever wanted to elevate your illustrations and make them pop with amazing 3D effects? Let's dive into how to add artwork to a 3D object in Adobe Illustrator in a way that's super easy and creates stunning results. First, open your Illustrator and create a simple 3D shape, or if you already have one, perfect. I'm starting with a basic object then. Prepare your artwork that you'd like to use, making sure it's set up. Now, select your 3D object and go with me, head to the Effect menu, then click on 3D and Materials, and select Extrude and Bevel. This will open the 3D settings. In the Extrude and Bevel options, you'll find a super important button, Map Art. Click it. This button will be the key for our journey. The Map Art window opens. Here's where the magic happens. Select the surface of your 3D object where you want to apply the artwork. You'll see a drop-down menu and numbers for the surfaces on your 3D object. Click the artwork thumbnail and from there, select your preferred artwork style. Use the tools in the Map Art window to position, scale, and rotate your artwork. Experiment with the controls until it fits perfectly onto your object. You can also make the artwork invisible from the 3D model if you want. Once you've finished, click OK, and then OK again in the previous window, and there you have it. Your artwork is seamlessly added to your 3D object. Now, go create some awesome designs. Remember to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tricks.